It may seem surprising, but flies, bacteria, and all other organisms have the same basic needs as you and I. This video is called The Needs of Living Things. So the next time you see a flower or an ant, look at it and think, what does it need to survive? The first thing that all organisms need to survive is something that they get from their surroundings. Water. All organisms need water to survive. In fact, many organisms can't go more than a day without water. The next need of living things is energy. The sun is the main source of energy on planet Earth. But organisms vary in the way they get their energy. Some organisms, like plants, can get their energy directly from the sun through the process of photosynthesis. In science, we call these organisms autotrophs. But not all organisms can get their energy directly from the sun. You and I have to do something different to get energy. Humans and animals have to eat their food to get energy. Just like this sheep here might eat the grass to get energy, you and I have to consume food. Organisms that consume food for energy are given a special name. Organisms that eat food for energy are called heterotrophs. So the sheep in this example gets its energy by eating the autotroph, which is just the plant, and the plant gets its energy from the sun. So let's review. All living things need water. All living things need energy, and now let's look at a few more. If you guessed a house, well, you're right, sort of. All living things need a place to live. Or all living things need living space. But the type of living space is different for all different types of organisms. For example, a fish doesn't need a house, but a fish does need a place to live. A fish's living space is underwater. And plants don't need a house either, but plants do need space in the earth for them to grow. Living space, another need of living things. Organisms must be able to keep the conditions inside their bodies stable, even when the conditions in their surroundings change significantly. For example, when you're outside on a hot summer day, or when you're outside in the middle of the winter, your body temperature stays the same. Your body temperature is about 98.6 degrees, no matter what the temperature is outside. Your body is working hard to maintain something called homeostasis. Homeostasis keeps internal conditions just right for your cells to function. In the summertime, your body sweats to cool you off. And in the wintertime, your body shivers to heat you up. Homeostasis, the maintenance of stable internal conditions. So in conclusion, all organisms need a place to live. All organisms need energy. Plants are called autotrophs, and animals are called heterotrophs. And lastly, all organisms need water.